Stop! If you've been looking for a powerful AI tool to build projects faster and save hours of work, today's deal is something you absolutely don't want to miss. Today, I'm talking about Lovable, one of the most exciting AI platforms helping creators, entrepreneurs, developers, and startups turn ideas into reality faster than ever. Imagine describing your idea in simple words and getting professional results in minutes instead of spending days figuring everything out yourself. That's why so many people are talking about Lovable AI right now. Faster project creation, AI-powered workflows, beginner-friendly interface, premium features, and advanced tools. But here's the part you've been waiting for. Right now, you can get an exclusive 60% off through the special discount link in the description below. Yes, this is a mega site-wide deal that helps you unlock premium features while saving a huge amount of money. Deals like this don't stay around forever. Once the promotion ends, you'll have to pay the regular price, so this is the perfect time to upgrade. So click the first link in the description right now, claim your exclusive 60% off discount, and start using Lovable AI with premium features today. If you grab the deal, comment Lovable below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more exclusive AI promo codes, discounts, and hidden deals every week.